spring must be here because we're making lamb, and I'm not the biggest lamb fan, I have to tell you, but my husband loves it. So I score extra brownie points because I'm truly doing this for others, the whole lamb thing. So I have a shoulder of lamb and we're doing slow roast lamb. I think shoulders, there really isn't another choice. And I've made some holes and I'm gonna stuff garlic into those holes as much as I possibly can. And I'll continue doing that. Let's get another few in. Oh, that's the trick. If they're not sliced too small, they have more of an anchor to get in. And because this is gonna cook low and slow for a really long time, that garlic is going to melt into the lamb and flavor it amazingly. There's another one. So it doesn't take much. Lamb is super flavorful all on its own, but my husband doesn't know this yet. He's about to find out. Now I'm gonna cook this shoulder of lamb, and yes, it may be a crime, but rather than just serve it, I'm gonna turn it into shepherd's pie. You do not have to do this. You can totally just eat it as it is with mint jelly. The British do that. But stick with me because we will do the shoulder of lamb and we're gonna do another video doing the shepherd's pie. I'm putting some washed and chucked rosemary next to the lamb. I'm adding quarters of onion. I haven't even bothered peeling the onion. I've just scrubbed them. And flying garlic and half a bulb of garlic, half of which just ended up on the floor. I'm going to sprinkle salt everywhere. And despite my not really being a massive lamb fan, when cooked like this, I am willing to indulge a bit. And loads of pepper everywhere. And this is it. This is as hard as this recipe gets. There isn't much more to it. I'm going to drizzle olive oil everywhere. And it's gonna help all those flavors permeate. I'm going to add a cup of water to my roasting tin and then double foil to wrap it up really well. It's gonna go into the oven and it's gonna roast for the next 3 hours. And then we're gonna have this amazing, succulent, roasted shoulder of lamb, which could be eaten as it is, or could be made into a shepherd's pie, which I'm excited about because the whole potato thing makes up for the lamb any day. All right, see you soon.